So here it is, the Esddi photography light kit, and you can see it has two stands. You can see how high it is, and you can adjust it at the bottom a little more to give it more height if you want. It goes high, very high, almost up to the ceiling in that area. And you can see the two umbrellas that it comes with, and they say on the website is an 85 watt bulb, but when I look at it, it was 135 watts on here. And you can see the soft cover right on there that give it that daylight glow, and it really lights up pretty good. It's more than I expected. I bought it for $49.99, 50 bucks to replace to replace this and my office lamps. And you can see the build up here. You can adjust this to bring it up and down. Put it up, bring it up, or bring it down. You can just tighten it right here. And also you can move it around. You can loosen that right here so that you can move it around if you want to. So there's two areas to adjust it here, two different ways. And all this is plastic, this is metal. You have the switch, on and off switch right here. The name. This is kind of like a leather material, a leatherette material. And you have the stand. You have another adjusting here to adjust the height. The second one to adjust also. You also have one down here. So there's three places to adjust the height. And you can see the legs right here. All this is made of metal. It's a lot more sturdy than I thought it would be. I like that. I love the price. And you can see the Velcro at the back here to remove. So there's Velcro on all four sides. There's Velcro. So it's pretty nice. It's really, and it complements your office. If it's an office area or your work area, it's going to complement really good. This is my test subject right here. This is no lights. Just the lights from the room. And now we're going to put on our photographic lights. And we can see this, it's a really big difference. It really brings out the face. So I think it's a go for $49.99. I think it's a go. I will give this a definitely giving it a thumbs up on there. Again, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right, the Esddi photographic light, and it's on Amazon right and here. You see the price for $49.99, price at $89.99. So it's a good deal, very good deal. This is Charlie. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like. I'm out.